On last video we discussed about the speed. Speed, as you know that the rate of change of distance with respect to time is called speed. On the same way there are the speed type of the speed. First of all, the non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed, when a body covers an unequal distance in equal interval of time, is called non-uniform speed. Its examples are the motion of car in a crowded place, the motion of a ball in a rough surface. On the same way, instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed, when the speed of the body keeps on changing, its speed at any point measured by the finding the ratio of the distance traveled in very short interval of time. Short interval of time by the total time interval. This is called instantaneous speed. Total interval of time. Overall we can say that the instantaneous, when the speed of the body keeps on changing, its speed at any point is measured by finding the ratio of distance traveled in very short interval of time to the total time interval. So on the same way, average velocity is average speed. Average speed is the ratio of the total distance traveled by the body to the total interval of time. Total distance traveled to the total time taken. This is called average speed. Now on the next topic is the velocity. Velocity means the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called velocity. Velocity, same way there is a non-uniform velocity and instantaneous velocity, then also average velocity. All are the same as the non-uniform speed and instantaneous speed. Non-uniform velocity is the distance when a body covers an unequal distance in equal interval of time in a particular direction. In non-uniform speed there is not a particular direction, but in non-uniform velocity the particular direction is there. On the same way, the uniform velocity is there. Uniform velocity means when a equal interval of distance is covered by the body in equal interval of time in a particular direction. Direction will be mentioned in the velocity. It may be non-uniform velocity, it may be uniform velocity, or it may be instantaneous velocity, or it may be average velocity. So velocity, because speed is a vector quantity, while speed is a scalar quantity, while the velocity is a vector quantity. As earlier I already told you that vector quantities are those quantities which having magnitude as well as direction, while the scalars are those quantities which having only the magnitude, no direction is there. Next is the acceleration or retardation. Acceleration mean the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. Acceleration, you can understand it by graphical. You can consider that a object is moving with a constant velocity u, and after a time t, it reaches the velocity v. Then the displacement by the velocity is equal to v minus u, and time is t. Change in time is t. So you can say that acceleration is equal to v minus u over t. This is the acceleration. If v is greater than u, then the acceleration is positive. But if v is less than u, then acceleration is negative. This negative acceleration is called retardations. So there you can solve the exercise 2A on your notebooks also. Okay, thank you.